Last but not least.
I've heard about you.
Alright. So what's gonna happen is this is gonna go underneath your neck. Pick it up and down. Let it fall. Come a little bit more. Right there. Perfect. Drop your head. Alright, so we're gonna have a little bit of a pull, okay?
And what do I need to do with myself, my hands, my existence right now?
Actually, let's do this. Scoot all the way down towards the end of the table and have your feet hang off. Keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going. Like a bend at the knee. Yeah. No, you don't have to do absolutely nothing. Just relax. All right, drop your head. All right, here we go. A little bit of a pull. All right, deep breath in. All the way out. Excellent. Let's adjust this a little bit more. Drop it. Thank you. All right, deep breath in. All the way out. Excellent. Deep breath in again. All the way in. You kind of get a feeling, right?
Ooh,
You okay?
yes. I got a feeling.
You just relax right there for 1 second. Take your time. Right now?
Uh-huh.
Right here?
This spot right here.
All right, go all the way back down. We're gonna do some cranial stretches, okay?
Okay.
If you want, prop your feet up. Right in there, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
So what is it?
Just something that needs to be adjusted.
I've heard that before.
So, hey, you're already pretty flexible. You could have surprised me when you do yoga. Head and shoulder again. Shoulder two. And the shoulder. Good, right there. A little bit less on the shoulder. Good. Hold. Hold. Drop it.
I couldn't hear.
You're like, drop it, drop it, drop it. Drop that shoulder. Let it go. Your occiput was really out. That bone at the base.
The occiput.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, I thought, I was told I got that from my granddaddy.
This is mine that you don't get from me.
Okay.
Don't you dare.
So you got those a nice one saying you got a big head in the back.
You can't even really say it. Like, it's not something visible.
Right, no, it's just a.
So you trying to say I got big head?
And see, I can,
Yeah.
what is it? What is to be done?
Now, it took time for that pain to build up.
True.
So it takes a little time to let it go. So I'm gonna put some more of this. You're lined out. You're set.
Okay.
You just need a minute to allow your muscles to catch up with it. Cause they pissed off.
Yes.
They're not happy. They're not happy right
I
now.
wasn't happy before.
They not happy right now. Cause I was like, yo, I was nauseous. I'm like,
Mm-hmm. That's it.
Like, I'm nauseous. I don't know what this is. Go ahead and get you that Epsom salt. Let's see about everything else. You can go ahead and sit up. Lightheaded?
A little bit.
Don't stand up yet. From the adjustments that I did, basically we just cleared it out so it's blood rushing to the brain.
Got it. I sense that.
Like, mm-hmm.
But what's built up in there?
Like, what do you release? What's happening?
So you have veins that go through the base. So you have, I have to show you a picture, but the top bone is what is spinal cord, but it's got two little holes on the side where they go down, where the veins go down, where it travels through.
Mm-hmm.
Now, if they're out of alignment, it can cause a little bit of a kink. You know, kind of kink in a hose.
Yeah.
You still get water, but when I did that,
It's free, yeah.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, but a lot of tension here. It's built. Posture and stuff like that.
Right.
It's culture. It's the culture.
It is. It is.
TV, phones.
Sit at this desk. Now sit here. Now sit on that table. Now do this. Yeah.
Go and stand up, walk around. You still lightheaded?
It's better. When I go to stand up, it's almost like I was standing on the stilt on this side. I was like, no, wait. My legs are actually even. So now I'm not feeling that. That's crazy.
I told you.
Thank you. Thank you. Like as soon as I stepped down, it was like, huh, you know, it felt taller instantly.
You got used to compensating.
That's it. And with the hip right. And so, yeah. Thank you.
You're very welcome.
I appreciate it. Right on time. Woo.
You call, I come over.